So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to discover another amazing tool in JavaScript. So today we are discovering Summernote. And what is Summernote? Summernote is a super simple WYSIWYG editor on Bootstrap. So if you don't know what that acronym means, it simply means what you see is what you get. And so this is a simple editor that you can integrate on basically a simple website or a simple HTML and CSS website or any other complicated website or web app you might be building. And so this is an editor that allows you to get input from your users, and it offers some customization features. For example, you can integrate, maybe you can make the text bold, you can make the text bigger or smaller, change the font size, and even include images as well. So this allows your users to be able to enter text, and you get the formatted text that you can save in a database or wheresoever. And so this is what it is, a simple text editor with some customization features that you can integrate easily. And so so it's easy to install. It offers customizations. You have some good examples. It's open source and it integrates easily with all technologies. So that's pretty much what it is, a simple text editor. So you can check it out at summernote.org and you can easily get integrated. So let's check out a couple of examples here. So yeah, you have some examples. You have a theme with Boots Watch, multi-line editor, maybe put multiple of them. Click to edit. You can click on HTML elements and edit them. You have equally code mirror as code view. Maybe have a display of code designs on the same page, and definitely a couple of others as well. You know, there are a lot of examples here. You can definitely check them out, how they work. So yeah, so let's look a little bit at the documentation. I'm pretty sure it's not that complicated to implement, and you can easily do that with just a couple of lines. So here you go. You can easily get some code. You can download the compiled version. Let's see if they offer a CDN. Yeah, you can equally include the CDN into your code directly, and you can easily get started with it by putting this line of code into your codes. So yeah, it's pretty easy to get started with it. You can easily have a text editor into your website in no time. So that's pretty much what Summernote is all about. There are other text editors definitely out there. I remember some which are even way more beautiful than this. So you wanna maybe check out all of them and see what really suits your needs. I equally notice here that they have a plugin section. I guess they offer some integration features as well. So yeah, head straight away to summernote.org and check it out. If it's something you might be interested in, then you definitely want to get a go at this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.